Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the internet browser on your PlayStation 5. Now, if you tried looking for it under the game library, well, the PlayStation 5 does not have a dedicated internet application. So there is one workaround where you can press the PlayStation button, open up the game base right here, and then go to messages. And you want to send someone a message. So I added one of my accounts as a favorite. So you can just go to the person's name. And then you can go to the three little dots down here and go to add to favorites. And I just added them to the top. So this is my second account, search-browser. Now what you want to do is type in here any kind of search engine. So like google.com, bing.com, ask Jeeves. So you can type it in here just like this. I'm going to use Bing just because it's shorter. Just type in bing.com. And then you can go up with the D-pad and you can select the link. So I can select bing.com and it'll open it up right here. Now I can access any kind of website I want by simply typing in the search, the web area right here. So I can type in n4g.com, my favorite gaming website, press R2, and it's going to load this page in the background. And all I have to do is select it. So you cannot access the top URL section. So you have to type it in on a search engine. So I can go to this website now. And then I'm able to access it at any time. Now you can press options and you do have a little bit of options on the side like back, fast forward. And you do have some options on the side like back, forward, zoom, magnify, resize card. You can make it like a mobile phone. Then you can pin it to the side. While you're gaming, you can have whatever information up on the web browser. Or you can play a YouTube video. So I'm going to exit pin to side and I'm going to make this a little bit larger. Now at any point in time you want to re-access the web browser, you just open up the game base again, go to your messages, and it is right here and I can easily go to it. So it's just a simple workaround since there's no dedicated application. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.